'58 Bel Air 4-door. The sawed out machine, if it was a 2-door, but it's still a sawed out machine. 1 year only, and still got the bias tires. Looks like he's been doing some work on the rocker panels. And let's open it up. There's the Bel Air. He's got some floor work to do over there. Bench seats. Look at that, how it opens and closes. Perfect. Look at the windows at the back, how curved they are, just like the front window. Just do the walk around. And it's got a 283 motor. Let's check the doors on this side. It wouldn't be as tinny as if the covering's on there. It's an automatic. Right now it's up on the hoist, and I'm going to show you the underneath. 2 bulbs for the headlight. A little bit of repair work there. I'm guessing that stuff gets in behind and rusted away, where it's holding something, salt or something.
Brace.
Floor brace, did some floor work.
Floor brace is replaced. Floor, yeah, I just haven't sealed it yet. So it's welded on both sides, top and bottom.
How is it right here where the cross frame is? It's okay?
Yeah. The frame's in really good shape. Needs transmission work though, it's leaking all over the place.
Yeah?
Yeah, the engine was done, but not the tranny.
Okay, let me look at the, yeah, point that light back there. Look at the frame, how nice it is. No rot on that frame. Just the floorboards.
Yeah, and that's rare for Manitoba.
Yeah?
Well, for the frames, usually the frames and the rockers are all shattered.
Well, frame is, that's when you don't do anymore to the vehicle, you get another frame. But this frame is perfect for being 50, 70 years old almost. Well, 68 years old, eh?
Yeah. So because it takes so long to get the mounts in, I have to do the mounts after. So all the body mounts.
Yeah.
But that's the way it is here in Canada. It takes forever to get everything.
Okay, this is the passenger side, and I'll show you the driver's side. This is the driver's side. Floor pans.
So it still hasn't been sealed yet. And then I haven't done this patch yet on the floor.
Uh-huh.
On this big, because I don't have any of those mounts yet.
I see that.
So there's nothing I can. I just stopped working on the floor.
Everything looks in really good shape. You put these on, eh?
Yeah.
Look at that. How does it look behind there?
Fantastic.
Look at that curved windshield at the front. Nice molding on the top here of the door.
Okay, I'm bringing it down. Watch yourself.
Okay.
All the front bumper has been wrapped and put away, and I'm just taking off all the trim right now.
And all the trim is here too.
All of it.
That's a big bonus.
There is no wheel well covers though.
No what?
There's apparently it's supposed to be wheel well covers for this.
At the back?
Yeah, but there is none for this one. Like it didn't come with them.
Yeah, but that's minor though.
No, I'm just because I've already been asked once, or my neighbor asked me where they were. And
But look at all this nice chrome trim. It's all here. Like everything is here. A little bit of work right here. But can we see in the trunk? Look at that trunk size and that. Looks like somebody did a... You got that light there? I'm gonna look... Somebody patched both sides, eh? Looks like somebody patched both sides with tin. See, this side has been patched. Obviously...
Well, he didn't patch it. It's just to keep the mice out is what he did until it was ready to be worked on. So he went around and plugged up all the little holes that were there.
Yeah.
So it was really nice because there was not a drop that's getting cut out. And
Yeah, that's minor, this stuff, though. Minor.
mm-hmm. Well, there's right at the floorboard. I mean, at the body mount. So the body mount's got to get all cut out and remade, put back in.
But look at that, the floor on the trunk, perfect. Can you start it up?
We can, but we really spent a lot of time trying to get this heat back.
No, but it can start though?
Oh, it drives really good.